So it looks like there's 4 little ducklings there. How beautiful. What a good girl, Evie. What a very good girl. Oh. Too cute. And here we have Miss Evie and babies. Hey! A clever girl. Oh, definitely. Clever, clever little girl. Yay, Evie! Right. Go. And now in here we have Eddie, and she's on eggs too. I guess Mr. Big Duck has been up to more of his stuff.
Nature's wonders.
Nature's wonders! We love nature's wonders. And it's hard to think one duck can have so many feathers. Look at all the feathers. It just looks so cozy in all the feathers. I'll just leave her to it. Hello, Sugar! You seeing what's happening? Meow. Hey! Meow. Meow. Sugar! Rolly roll!
Outnumbered by ducks yet again.
Of course. Roll! And how's our naughty Mr. Big Duck? Hey, how are you? How are you? Hey! Ooh, what's happening? Are you excited? It's 'cause Sugar's here. As you can see, Miss Evie's having a little bit of food right now. Just some porridge, so watery porridge, so that, you know, the babies can have it as well. Here are the babies. Hiding under her. Better not get too close. Whoops. Yeah, she's just being what I like to call an Evie tent. She's using her wings to keep her babies all nice and warm and sheltered. Hey! So let's leave Evie to be a baby tent. Leave them with porridge, which will just keep topped up. Just not putting in too much, because if we have sparrows here that tend to go along and take the food. And obviously we don't want babies getting stuck in food either, so just a little bit. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. There we go. So there you have it. That's Mr. Big Duck telling us that, well, I believe this video is about to end, isn't it, Mr. Big Duck? So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. We should be, well, keeping an eye on those little babies and making sure we're all happy and healthy. And I hope you'll be able to see more. Anyway, I'm rambling on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe because I think that makes Mr. Big Duck's tail wag side to side. There we go, good Mr. Big Duck. And all the nature's wonders he gets up to. And that is all for today. And yes, you wouldn't believe this, but this is actually supposed to be a gardening YouTube channel.